Now we're going to preheat our oven and prepare our pans. It's important to preheat your oven before you start so that the oven is completely up to temperature when it's time to put your cake in. For a conventional oven, we're going to use the temperature 350 degrees. For a convection oven that moves the air around in the oven, we'll use a lower temperature, 300 degrees, because the movement of the air cooks the cake faster. I'm going to show you two ways to prepare your pans. If you're just going to serve your cake right in the pan and you're not planning to take it out, it's fine to just grease and flour the pan. Just take a healthy amount of margarine or shortening or oil and rub that all over the pan. And this is a good method, but sometimes it won't release the cake as easily as you'd like. Rub that over nice and evenly. And then dust with flour. And just shake that flour all over the pan. I think I need a little more. And all over the edges. And there you're ready.